Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best welding jacket is probably one of the most essential pieces of safety gear for anyone working with sparks, heat, and molten metal, offering crucial protection against burns and abrasions that can occur during welding, grinding, and other metalworking tasks, ensuring your personal safety and comfort while you focus on the job at hand, making it an indispensable investment for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Leather Welding Work Apron. Introducing our premium leather welding apron, designed for ultimate durability and protection in demanding work environments. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with 6 strategically placed pockets. Everything you need is always at your fingertips. Work with confidence thanks to its superior heat and flame-resistant properties. It's built to withstand high temperatures and sparks. Measuring 24 by 36 inches, it offers ample coverage to protect your clothing and body from welding hazards. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit with adjustable straps, accommodating sizes from M to XXXL. It's designed for everyone. Crafted from high-quality leather, this apron is made to endure the toughest jobs, providing long-lasting reliability. What we like. This apron offers excellent full-body protection, extending coverage down to your knees. It features multiple pockets for convenient tool storage, keeping your essentials within reach. What people say. This jacket is made of thick leather which provides excellent protection. The jacket is well stitched and durable, showing good craftsmanship. It offers good coverage for the arms and torso, essential for welding safety. Number 4. Lincoln Electric Split Leather Sleeved Welding Jacket K2986M. Experience exceptional protection with our premium cowhide leather sleeves. They shield you from sparks and heat while ensuring unrestricted arm movement and resisting heavy abrasion. The main body is crafted from 9 ounces flame-retardant cotton, compliant with ASTM D6413 standards. It effectively prevents and extinguishes flames, and features an anti-static coating for enhanced durability. Our innovative 3-layer fabric and Velcro design on the front button column prevent sparks and spatter from entering the jacket, offering superior protection and a secure fit. Enjoy superior comfort with ergonomic sleeves that enhance mobility. The lightweight, breathable FR material allows for consistent airflow, keeping you cool without compromising safety. Achieve a perfect fit with adjustable side straps, collar, and cuffs. This ensures a comfortable and secure feel for various body sizes and preferences. What we like. This jacket combines durable leather sleeves with a flame-resistant cotton body for excellent protection and mobility. The unique spatter guard design enhances safety by preventing sparks from entering. If you prioritize arm freedom and robust protection against spatter and flames, especially for medium-duty tasks, this jacket is ideal. What people say. The jacket is made of high-quality leather that is both durable and flexible, allowing for a full range of motion while welding. It features a heavy-duty zipper closure that is easy to operate, even when wearing gloves. The jacket also includes reinforced stitching in high-wear areas, ensuring longevity and protection. Number 3. Lincoln Electric KH807L Leather Welding Jacket. Introducing the Lincoln Electric KH807L. This heavy-duty jacket is designed to shield you from welding spatter and intense heat, keeping you safe on the job. Crafted from premium flame-resistant leather, it offers exceptional protection and long-lasting durability. You can rely on it for tough welding tasks. Featuring triple needle stitching on all seams, this jacket resists fraying and wear. It's built to withstand the rigors of your work environment. The innovative flip-up collar provides crucial protection for your neck. This added feature ensures comprehensive safety during welding operations. A lined flap with snaps ensures a secure front closure, offering an extra layer of defense against sparks and heat. Stay protected with every wear. What we like. Constructed from heavy-duty, flame-resistant leather with triple-stitched seams, this jacket is built for durability. The flip-up collar provides extra neck protection. If you're looking for a rugged jacket that can withstand tough conditions and offers enhanced neck coverage, this is a solid option for demanding welding jobs. What people say. The jacket is made of thick, durable leather that offers excellent protection from sparks and heat. It features reinforced stitching and adjustable cuffs for a secure and comfortable fit. The extended length provides additional coverage for the torso and legs, which is great for preventing burns. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Heavy Duty Leather Welding Jacket K2989L. Introducing the Lincoln Electric Heavy Duty Leather Welding Jacket. Engineered for superior protection, it's your ultimate shield against sparks and heat. Crafted from heavyweight split cowhide, its full leather front and sides offer robust defense. This jacket is built to withstand high amperage and out-of-position welding. Experience enhanced mobility with our ergonomic leather sleeves. The innovative two-part armpit design allows for greater arm movement compared to traditional jackets. Stay cool without compromising safety. The breathable flame-retardant cotton back ensures consistent airflow while meeting stringent safety standards. Our unique 3-layer button liner provides an extra barrier against sparks and spatter, ensuring a secure and protected fit. The integrated leather collar adds crucial protection for your neck against arc rays, spatter, and sparks. What we like. This jacket offers extensive leather coverage on the front and sides for superior protection against sparks and heat, ideal for high amperage work. Its breathable FR cotton back and ergonomic sleeves ensure comfort and mobility. If you engage in high amperage welding or work in various positions and need both robust protection and comfort, this jacket is designed for you. What people say. The jacket is made of thick, durable leather that offers excellent protection from sparks and heat. It features reinforced stitching and adjustable cuffs for a secure and comfortable fit. The extended length provides additional coverage for the torso and legs, enhancing safety during welding operations. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN Heavy Duty Leather Welding Apron. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN Welding Apron, crafted from 100% heavy-duty cowhide leather. This apron offers superior heat and flame resistance, ensuring your safety during demanding tasks. Designed for durability, it's sewn with strong thread for long-lasting use. The extra-long, full coverage protects you from sparks and slag, all the way down to your knees. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with 6 spacious pockets. Reinforced with rivets, these pockets are built to handle heavy tools without tearing. Putting it on is a breeze thanks to the quick-release buckle closure and crossback design. It's easy to adjust for a perfect fit, even when wearing bulky gloves. With a fully adjustable waist strap, this apron provides a comfortable and secure fit for both men and women, accommodating sizes M to XXXL. Whether you're welding, cutting, or grinding, this apron is your reliable partner. It provides the protection and convenience you need for any workshop or job site. What we like. This apron is crafted from 100% heavy-duty cowhide leather for maximum heat and flame resistance. It boasts 6 large pockets for all your essential tools and features a convenient quick-release buckle for easy on and off. If you need extensive tool storage and reliable, full coverage protection for welding, grinding, or blacksmithing, this apron is an excellent choice. What people say. This jacket is made of thick leather, which provides excellent protection from sparks and heat. The jacket has a comfortable fit and allows for a good range of motion, making it easy to work in. The extended cuffs offer extra protection for the wrists and forearms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.